A very good morning, students. Let us continue chapter number 2, the Indian Parliament. Speaker of Lok Sabha, the chairman of Rajya Sabha and its functions. How does the Parliament make laws? Law-making procedure. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Now we have seen what is Lok Sabha, what is Rajya Sabha, how many members are there, etc. Now the members of Lok Sabha elect a speaker. Speaker means the one who speaks on their behalf. Now if there are 10 members in Lok Sabha, all cannot speak at one time. No. So one member is required to speak on their behalf. So speaker and deputy speaker in the very first meeting after the election of the Lok Sabha. So after the Lok Sabha election, one speaker and one deputy speaker is appointed, just like a monitor and assistant monitor. They are elected by the newly elected members of parliament. The Lok Sabha functions under the guidance and control of the speaker. So they discuss and they function under the guidance of the speaker. Just like if you are a monitor or assistant monitor, what you say, students listen to you, that you have to walk in line or hands behind. So there are certain things under your guidance they follow. So here also Lok Sabha functions under the guidance of the speaker. Then functions, what are their duties? To conduct the business of the house in an unbiased manner. Unbiased manner means no partiality. जो भी कारभार है, business, whatever, it should be followed with unbiased manner. That is no partiality. Just like when teacher tells you to mind the class, and sometimes you don't write the roll number of your friends, so you become biased, you become partial. So there should be no partiality. To take care of the rights and privilege of the members of the parliament. So what parliament members are they? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So it is his duty to take care of them. What are their rights? Unke kya mat hai? What is their opinion, etc. To conduct the functioning of the Lok Sabha systematically and uninterrupted means there should be no disturbance. Proper arrangement should be done. Proper functioning systematically it should be arranged. To maintain the decorum and the dignity of the house means everything. Decorum means what? Everything, with table, chair, whatever, everything should be control and the dignity, respect. There should be proper respect in the house. Everything should be in things. To interrupt the rules and daily functioning of this house and work accordingly. Interpret, sorry, not interrupt, interpret. To interpret means what rules are there, whether their rules are followed or no, the functioning is taking place or no, whether everyone is working properly or no. His duties are to check accordingly. Chairman of the Rajya Sabha and his function. Now we saw there is a speaker and deputy speaker, and in Rajya Sabha there is a vice president is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. So vice president is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. There we saw in the Lok Sabha we have speaker and deputy speaker, and here there is vice president. He exercises a control over the functioning of the Rajya Sabha. Now he take care of the members of Rajya Sabha. It is the function of chairman to maintain discipline in the house. He has to facilitate discussion by giving members a chance to speak. Now if there are so many members, everyone cannot speak. So he gives chance to everyone. Just like a teacher, when she asks you questions in the class, everyone start answering chorus answers. So what teachers say? No chorus answers. Put your hand up. I'll give everyone chance to give your answers. So here also, when discussion takes place, every member is given chance by the vice president, chairman. How does the parliament make laws? Now what are the procedure? How the laws are being made? Parliament formulates laws known as law making process. First bill, जो कायदा है उसे पहला बिल बोला जाता है. The draft or outline is known as draft proposal or bill of law. So जब तक उस पर स्टैम्प नहीं लगते प्रेसिडेंट के एक्सेट्रा, द लॉ जो भी कायदे बनाने जाते that is only law, that is the outline first. A rough draft or outline is prepared initially and presented in the parliament. So first they write, okay, ये कायदा होना चाहिए, लड़कियों को free education होना चाहिए. So if this they are thinking about giving, so first this they will discuss in the parliament, where Lok Sabha will be there, Rajya Sabha will be there. These two members will come there and they will sit together and discuss about it. Every bill has to undergo 3 readings in both the houses. 3 बार वो bill पढ़े जाते. Not 1, twice, thrice, 3 times they read in both the house. In Lok Sabha also and in Rajya Sabha. 3 बार ये पढ़े जाते. When a bill is approved by both the houses, is signed by the president and then it becomes a law. दोनों तरफ से सहमत आई, ओके वी एक्सेप्ट, ओके राज्यसभा से भी हाँ, लोकसभा से भी हाँ, तो प्रेसिडेंट विल साइन एंड देन इट बिकम्स अ लॉ. लॉ मीन्स कायदा बन जाता है फिर. एनी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट कैन प्रेजेंट अ बिल इन द हाउस. There are types: money bill, ordinary bill and constitutional amendment bill. So money bill, it is talking about tax and all. Ordinary bill, it talks about the expenditure, खर्चा जमा एक्सेट्रा. एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल्स, कायदे कानून लागू करना, सती प्रैक्टिस एक्ट, दिस एक्ट, दैट एक्ट. सो इट टॉक्स अबाउट डिफरेंट बिल्स. लॉ मेकिंग प्रोसीजर. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस लॉ मेकिंग? फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, पहले वो इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है कि ऐसा ऐसा लॉ बनाने वाले हैं, तो वो बिल पहला इंट्रोड्यूस करते. ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बिल. सो अ डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन, डिटेल explanation is given. Then in the second reading what happens? Objective discuss and opinion express. So everyone start discussing, okay ये बराबर है, ये होना चाहिए, ये होना नहीं चाहिए. So opinion is given. डिस्कशन ऑफ डिफेक्ट्स एंड फ्लॉज. अभी उसमें ये होना चाहिए, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स को हटाना, पॉजिटिव को डालना, कुछ गड़बड़ है, डिफेक्ट्स एंड फ्लॉज, खामियां हैं, वो निकालना. बिल सेंड टू द कमिटी इफ रिक्वायर्ड. इन समटाइम्स इफ दे सी दैट इसमें अभी थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल चेंज है, ये है ग्रामर मिस, सो इट इज सेंड टू द कमिटी. क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज डिस्कशन, part by part, stanza by stanza, paragraph by paragraph, line by line discussion takes place. Changes suggested. Some changes are given. Okay, fine. When they read, then they make the changes. Okay, ये खामियां थी, यहाँ पे changes किए. Voting is taken in the house. Okay, how many approve this? फिर वोटिंग लिए जाते हैं. ओके, हाउ मेनी एक्सेप्ट दिस, हाउ मेनी एक्सेप्ट दिस. सो वोटिंग्स आर टेकन इन द हाउस. देन कम्स द थर्ड रीडिंग. ब्रीफ रीडिंग टेक्स प्लेस अगेन. वोटिंग इज टेकन फॉर द अप्रूवल. बिल इन द अदर हाउस, द सेम थिंग गोज इन द अदर हाउस. सेम प्रोसीजर टेक्स प्लेस. सेंड टू द प्रेसिडेंट. फिर प्रेसिडेंट के पास भेजे जाते. दोनों हाउस में रीडिंग करने के बाद इट गोज टू द प्रेसिडेंट. फाइनल असेंट, सिग्नेचर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट, बिल बिकम्स अ लॉ. सो फाइनली इट बिकम्स. सो दोनों ये 3 बार रीडिंग होते, 3 बार प्रॉब्लम्स फिर दोनों ग्रुप एक्सेप्ट करते, वेदर लोकसभा और राज्यसभा, दे बोथ विल एक्सेप्ट and then it will go to the president and then president will see, he will sign and then sanction, it becomes a law. फिर कायदा बन जाता है. I hope this chapter is clear to you. We'll be studying more about this all in the upcoming chapters. Okay students, notes are uploaded, please go through the notes. Thank you students.